Diyan ka pala. Tamang-tama. Meron akong gustong i-share sa'yo. At itong message na to, baka para sa'yo na to. So listen closely and this might give you a lesson. According to the book that I have read, reinventing yourself doesn't have to mean becoming a brand new person. It could mean you simply create some simple changes in your life that help you become more like the person you wanna be. Ang sabi lang dito, hindi naman ibig sabihin na mag-reinvent ka sa sarili mo ay magiging completely ibang tao ka na. You just have to make one simple changes one at a time. For example, ano ba yung mga habits mo? Gusto mo maging CEO? Then, start reading books about leadership and businesses. Gusto mo mag-healthy living? Then, start eating right and exercise. Gusto mo maging vlogger? Then, start making content. Tanungin mo sarili mo, anong ginagawa mo araw-araw na pwede mo naman i-adjust kahit konti lang. Hindi mo kailangan ng big move. Kailangan mo lang na maliliit na step na paulit-ulit. And then time will come, you'll realize you're becoming the person you wanna be. So ayun lang, hope you learn. Bye!